Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. First headlines. Government to provide direct subsidy to 30 million families. PM Imran Khan. In a bid to provide relief to the poor, Prime Minister Imran Khan announced that the government will give direct subsidy to 30 million families across the country. ECC approves Rs 7.6 billion Ramzan relief package. The Economic Coordination Committee chaired by Abdul Hafiz Sheikh approved Rs 7.6 billion Ramzan relief package. Inquiry ordered into killing of Sindh University student in police encounter. Inspector General of Police Sindh Mushtaq Meher ordered a probe into the death of a Sindh University student in an alleged police encounter. Schools in 7 Punjab cities to remain closed until March 28. The National Command and Operations Center announced the closure of schools in 7 Punjab cities from coming Monday, March 15 until March 28 after a rising number of coronavirus cases. ECP rescheduled NA-75 Daska by-election for April 10. The Election Commission of Pakistan rescheduled the NA-75 Daska by-election. Bitcoin surged higher narrow gap to record high. Bitcoin rose strongly on course to gain for a 5th straight day in a rally that has left the cryptocurrency within touching distance of an all-time high hit last month. GameStop jumps more than 40%. Shares of GameStop jumped more than 40% and other so-called meme stocks railed, lifted by news from the video game retailer and expectations that investors may flow funds from coming stimulus check into the equity market. This is the end of today's news. Take care of yourself and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.